Today I'll show you homemade remedy for common cough and cold. 2 wedges of lemon, 2 slices of ginger, some jeera or cumin seeds, black peppercorns, 4 cloves, and a mixer. Put the grinded powder in hot boiling water. Add the ginger. Add lemon juice. Boil it for 10 minutes. Your glass of home remedy is ready. Be warm, be healthy.